everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego unicorn. In this set, there are 3 characters to choose from. This one is a unicorn, this one is a seahorse, this one is a bird. But we're going to build a unicorn today. Let's get started, but first we need to arrange the pieces. Okay, so I finished sorting the pieces. Now it's time to make the base of the unicorn, which looks like this. First, we need this piece and this piece. Then you put it together like this in the middle. 2 of these and place the other piece in the middle again, and then place this white brick right here and the other one right here. Now you see, you got it. You got your base. Let's keep this aside for the moment and move on making the unicorn. Then our unicorn body is ready. It's time to make the legs. You put on like this, and look, it's like humans' legs, but they're horse legs. Then next, you move on to the next step. Then you connect the legs together. Watch these hind legs like this. Hi, I'm Yuna. Then you attach the other leg like this. Now it's like a human, but the other legs aren't there. So let's get with the other legs. Attach it like this. Then we attach the other one. Yeah, just like this. Then we repeat the steps. Place these legs like this, and then ta-da! Now we'll do the tail. And tail, and then done. Your unicorn is ready. But one thing is missing. You know what that is? Oh, right, the horn. You grab these two pieces and then put these together. Now you have the horn. Then you put this on top of the unicorn, and voila, voila, the unicorn is ready. Let's put the unicorn like this, and then put the tail like this, and then put it on the vase, and then ta-da! Your unicorn is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Bye!